How to make floating effect in Capcut PC. First, open Capcut, add a background and image you want to make floating effect. Adjust its size and position as desired. And go to the animation tab. In the 3D section, look for slide up. Select it and set the duration to 0.7 seconds. Now go to the Effect tab and click on the Party section. Find the Play Pendulum effect and drag the effect onto the image. You may find that your image suddenly looks edgy. Reduce the sharpen and twist values, and the image will look normal again. The strength bar will determine how much your image will shake. If the window for editing the effect has closed and you want to open it again, right click on the image and select Edit Effects. So that's how you can make floating effect in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.